Raw Santol becomes bottled sweet and sour fruit extract in one continuous factory line. Every wash, cut, press, filter, fill and seal has to protect the same Santol extract.
The process starts with heavy Santol fruit, chosen for extract yield.
Only intact Santol fruit moves forward for sweet and sour extract. At the factory, the Santol fruit is still raw, whole, and ready for inspection.
Weight control confirms how much Santol fruit can enter the extract batch.
Sugar level decides whether the Santol fruit can produce balanced extract.
Approved Santol fruit waits cold to slow spoilage before extraction.
Now the whole Santol fruit enters the wash line.
Dry rind gives the cutter a cleaner grip on every Santol fruit.
The first cut opens the Santol fruit without crushing the pulp.
Every Santol half must face the scraper the same way. The extract comes from Santol pulp, not from the hard seeds.
Batch weight controls the sweet and sour Santol extract formula.
Heat draws the Santol flavor into the sweet and sour extract base.
The Santol extract now changes from pulp slurry to clarified liquid.
Clarity is checked before the Santol extract can be balanced.
Measured sugar balances the natural sourness of the Santol extract.
Brix and pH lock the Santol extract flavor before heat treatment.
The balanced Santol extract now moves into heat treatment. If the temperature drops, the Santol extract is automatically sent back. Clean bottles protect the pasteurized Santol extract. Every bottle gets the same hot Santol extract fill. Now the sealed bottle form begins. The hot Santol extract sanitizes the cap interior. Dry glass is essential before labels can stick cleanly. Only sealed and verified Santol extract bottles reach labeling.
The bottle is finished only when the label sits flat and readable.
The finished Santol extract bottles now move into final packing.
Robotic packing keeps the glass Santol extract bottles upright and protected.
Every carton is closed around the same sealed Santol extract bottles.
Traceability follows the Santol extract from fruit batch to shipping carton.
The bottle cartons are locked for transport without changing the finished Santol extract.
Inventory confirms the Santol extract is ready for dispatch.
The finished Santol extract leaves the factory sealed and traceable. The same bottled Santol extract is now ready for the shelf.
From raw Santol fruit to sealed sweet and sour fruit extract, the process ends in one finished bottle.